Application of trigonometry, class 10, 12th chapter. Now we are in exercise 12.2. In the previous video, we discussed about two problems from 12.2. Now we will see third problem from exercise number 12.2. A statue stands on the top of 2 meters tall pedestal. A statue stands on the top of 2 meters tall pedestal. 2-meter pedestal. Suppose this is my pedestal. Suppose this is my pedestal. Then the height is given by 2 meters. A statue stands on the top of 2 meters tall pedestal. Suppose this is my statue. Okay? From a point, this is my point, on the ground, by observing statue. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue, suppose this is my point on the ground, this is O is nothing but observer. Okay, is observing top of the pedestal. With the angle of elevation, this is my angle of elevation, 60 degrees. This is the vertical line represent the total height of the pedestal plus statue. Suppose A, B, C. AB is a statue and BC is a pedestal. Suppose, and O is my observer. We are observing from a point top of the statue making 60 degrees angle. The angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degrees. It's good. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degrees. This is my top of the pedestal. Keep in mind, at the B we have top of the pedestal. It makes how many degrees? 45 degrees. This is also very, very important. Okay, it's clear. Find the height of the statue. That means we need to find AB. This is say some x. AB is equals to, I would like to write what is AB. AB is nothing but
height of statue.
Height of the
Statue.
Height of statue. Say some x meters. And BC is a height of the pedestal. Am I clear?
2 meters.
This is say some given, yes, it is given 2 meters. Very good. It is given 2 meters. So we need to find x from this problem. By observing this picture, I have two right angle triangles. The first one is BOC is my one right angle triangle and AOC is my other right angle triangle. And O is an observer. O is a observer. Well, that's all. Now, consider. I start with consider right angle triangle AOC. This is my AOC right angle triangle. In AOC right angle triangle, tan 60 I am taking because the angle of elevation is 60 degrees, that is given by the question. And also you write it down, angle AOC is equals to 60 degrees from big right angle. is equals to opposite side of AC divided by adjacent side of OC. This is the trigonometric ratio with respect to 60 degrees. I know tan 60 degrees value. No, root 3 is equals to AC. AC is nothing but x plus 2. Keep in mind. Is divided by OC. I would like to write OC as this. OC is the distance between observer and foot of the pitch. Glad. Oh, okay. Now, one more triangle. Consider right angle triangle BOC. One more right angle triangle is here. This is my BOC. Here the angle of elevation BOC, angle BOC is equals to 45 degrees. From this right angle triangle, tan 45 degrees is equals to opposite side BC is divided by cos. Tan 45 degrees value 1, that is equals to BC 2 meters is divided by OC. I don't know, I would like to write as this. Then OC is equals to 2 meters. 2 meters. That's it. This is say equation 2. Now I have OC is equal to 2 centimeters. Can I take down here? Okay. So root 3 is equal to x plus 2 by my OC value is 2. I would like to write it down here. 2 is dividing, will go that side. It multiplied. Therefore 2 root 3 is equals to x plus 2. But I need to find x. X means height of the statue. So x is equals to, I would like to do it here. Okay. See here. 2 root 3 is equals to, I would like to do it here. 2 root 3 is equals to x plus 2. 2 is here adding will go that side. 2 root 3 minus 2 is equals to x. Here and here 2 is common, take off. 2 is goes out from these two terms, root 3 minus 1. Again 2 into root 3, 2 root 3, 2, 1 are 2 is equal to x. I know root 3 value 1.732. The square root of 3 value is 1.732. 2 into 1.732 minus 1 is equals to x. 2 into 0.732 is equal to x. 1.732 minus 1 is nothing but, can I do it here? 1.000. We get 237. Yes. So by multiplying this one, 4, 6, 14, 1. That is equals to x. Therefore, x is equals to 1.464 meters.